अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मी अब्दुल हन्नान। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हम गो हाई लेवल के अंदर किस तरह अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और पाइपलाइन को बनाते हैं, किस तरह लीड फ्लो को सेट करते हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। For going to the option and the dashboard of our opportunity, first you have to understand the basic logic of how pipeline works. So basically, in the big pipeline or the sales pipeline, we have divided the pipeline into the different stages. So for your understanding purpose means that there is a pipeline. You can see this example, like this is the sales pipeline. We divide this pipeline into new lead stage, the contacted, the interested, the appointment booked, hot lead, won, and the lost lead. Okay, so these are the stages for the sales pipeline. Okay, so whenever the leads come into the system or opted in, they will be in the new lead stage. So you contact him through the email or either the SMS, depend on your business. The stage will be contacted and they will reply. If they will reply to your conversation or the message or the email, the stage will be the interested and you send the appointment calendar. Now the stage is the appointment booked. Now what can happen if the lead is closed or buy your product? Now the lead will become the hot lead, and the next stage is one whenever you close the lead successfully, and the last is if accidentally you lose the lead. So these are the stages for the example for your understanding. And let's create this pipeline. For creating the pipeline, you have to go to the pipeline first. Okay, so we can create multiple pipeline. You just have to click here, create pipeline, and then add the pipeline name and the new lead contacted, and we can say interested and appointment booked. You can click here to add the stage, add stage, and you can say for example product purchased, and the last one is one, and last is lost. Okay, so this is just for your understanding purpose. You can create the pipeline according to your business or according to your client business. So this is totally depend on what business you are working right now or working in the future. Okay, so these are the pipeline stages that you can create. You can delete it from here, and these are for the graph purpose. You can click and show the reports, and yeah, that's it. Just click here, create pipeline. Okay, so when you create the pipeline is created. What you have to do, go to the opportunity section, and then if you have to navigate between the multiple pipelines, so you have to click here and search your pipeline. Our pipeline name is sales pipeline, so we can say this is, click here. So this is the sales pipeline, and you can see the stages: new lead, contacted, interested, and you can also navigate it through here like interested, and then we have option, the product, and all the stages are created. So this is how we can create the pipelines. Also there are multiple options in that builder. You have option to see the bulk action when you are import the opportunity from any other CRM like Salesforce or the HubSpot, and you can also go to in the import multiple opportunities. You can also add the opportunities manually or through the workflow, and we can also see how we can update the opportunity from the workflow in our upcoming videos. And this video, I hope you can understand this video, and if you have any question, write down the question inside the comments. I hope I can answer each question. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.